There are only 4 ways to increase revenue in a business. And the first way to increase revenue is to increase the number of customers. This coffee shop has 500 customers buying a $5 cup of coffee once a week. When they bring 250 more people in the door and increase the customer count to 750, the coffee shop increases revenue $65,000 per year. And this framework comes from The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman. It's one of my favorite books because it's so comprehensive, but yet so simple. If you're interested in learning more, I've included a link in the description. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. The second way to increase revenue is to increase the average transaction size per customer. And this means that the coffee shop is trying to upsell their existing customers so that they purchase more from them. An example of that would be if the coffee shop starts selling breakfast sandwiches. When customers purchase their weekly coffee and a breakfast sandwich, the average transaction size increases, in this case by $1. And the business increases revenue $26,000 per year. The third way to increase revenue is to increase the frequency of transactions per customer. One way to increase the frequency of transactions per customer is to implement a punch card system where customers get a reward for every 10 purchases. And let's assume this increases the frequency of transactions per customer from 52 to 70. This results in a $45,000 revenue increase. The fourth and final way to increase revenue is to raise your prices. If the company raises their prices from $5 to $7 for their 12-ounce cup of coffee, revenue increases $52,000 per year. Check out the description for a link to this exact model that you can download for yourself. Let me know in the comments, how are you going to increase revenue at your place of work? And I will see you next time.